Bangla learning is easy. Yes, Bangla learning is now easy, fun and personalized. Welcome to Amar Bhasha. So what is Amar Bhasha? Amar Bhasha is a one-to-one Bangla learning service for kids, teens and young adults. We really make Bangla learning experience easy, fun and personalized to your unique needs. Why should you learn Bangla? Bangla is one of the most spoken languages in the world. So it's a good choice for learning as a second language or as a foreign language. However, the reason you or your child should learn Bangla doesn't come from economy, business or market demand. It comes from heart. We care about the peace of heart you feel when you see your child is speaking Bangla with his or her grandparents, with relatives, or speaking Bangla at home with you. How many hours of classes do you need to learn Bangla? Here at Amar Bhasha, a typical learner shows significant improvement in only 48 hours of classes. As this is a personalized service, the pace actually depends on the learner. We have great teacher pool of native Bangla speakers from the top universities of Bangladesh. Now listen very carefully to what I'm about to say. We don't teach any Bangla in the first 5 to 6 sessions with a new learner. Rather, we try to understand the child. We try to understand his or her learning style, interest, likes, dislikes. So, the first 5 to 6 sessions are more of a relationship building with the child, with the teacher. When a good relation is established between the teacher and the child, Bangla learning flows naturally. Here are 11 benefits that you will get from Amar Bhasha. We will teach Bangla in a fun, engaging way so that your child never gets bored or frustrated while learning the language. Every class will be personalized. We will start easy with the words and contexts that the child is already familiar with. For example, ote, octopus. Then we will start with the child's topic of interest. For example, if he or she loves Pokemon cartoon, we will start Pokemon names in Bangla. Or if the child is into superhero movies, we will discuss their superpowers in Bangla. The big idea here is to hook the interest of the child, and then Bangla learning flows naturally. We believe every child is unique. So, your child should not be taught Bangla in an old traditional way. You will get a well-researched curriculum. Our curriculum is prepared by our multi-dimensional team consisting of people from Institute of Education and Research, from Linguistics Department, from Bangla Department, from English Department and also from Computer Science. You will get fun homework contents to practice after each class. You will get Bangla printables for every major Bengali occasions. For example, 21 February, Victory Day, Independence Day, Pohela Boishakh, Eid, Puja and so on. You will get monthly reports so that you are always up to date with your child's progress. You will have 24/7 support for your queries, feedback, suggestions or simply to change the schedule of a class. After completing a level, we give the child a certificate or a gift to boost his or her motivation with small wins. And these small wins really inspire our young learners to form a habit in Bangla speaking. Last but not least, we are developing a web platform with fun Bangla games, contents, books, videos, audios and tutorials. You shall get free access to this online platform when the platform is ready. What end results will you get from Amar Bhasha? So if you subscribe to Amar Bhasha, your child will be able to speak and communicate in Bangla. And if you want, we can teach your child how to read and write Bangla as well. But your benefits don't end here. We'll not just teach them the Bangla language, they will learn more about Bangla culture, Bangladesh and Bangla heritage. Your child will be able to connect to the Bangladeshi roots and heritage. Although you're focusing more on children and teens, Amar Bhasha is equally suited for adult learners and foreign learners as well. As you already know, the service is personalized to each learner's unique needs. Bangla language and Bangladesh is in our emotions. We love Bangla culture. We have hundreds of happy parents in our community, and you can be a member of this global Bangla learning community. Study says Children learn a language faster at their early age. As they grow older, learning a language becomes harder. So here's the no-brainer deal for you. We're giving you 3 free classes to try it out. 95% of our new learners loved the 3 free sessions and continued their Bangla learning journey with us. So, happy Bangla learning with Amar Bhasha. Thank you.